My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
So what we were doing with our previous setup was we would charge a setup fee, and then we used part of the setup fee to load it into their wallet so that there was already money in there just to kind of cover when we got their domain for them and their A2P fees and those kind of things. So then that eliminated us having to say there's going to be this charge and then this charge, all these things. So we just would charge them the setup fee, and then we just load money into the wallet to cover those things. How, since my previous partner had always did that part, what's the best way to do that? To put the money, because they pay us the setup fee, and then we were just using our money then to load it into their wallet.
You can give them complimentary credits. So if you go to your agency account and then go to the sub accounts tab and then click on any sub account, it could just be you guys' own sub account for this example. And then under rebilling, believe it's let's see, where is it at? Reselling, rebilling. I thought it was here. If you go to reselling, I don't think it's under reselling. I'm just trying to remember where it's at here. Credits. Go to it's in one of these tabs. If you go over to like SaaS maybe. No, it just shows the SaaS mode. Payments. Okay, yeah, sorry, here it is. So you can add a balance to their wallet over on the right.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and
But is
you could,
that going to charge their card on file though?
so click it real quick. I think there might be the option. There it is,
Yeah.
complimentary credits. So that's where it'll charge your card. If it charges the wallet, then yes, it would charge the client's card that's on file. But you guys
Mm-hmm.
can give them those complimentary credits as part of their, setup fee or whatever that they pay you.
Okay. Got it. Okay, that's easy. If
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.